It was a video called Picking Up Girls on a Motorcycle. And basically I went up to this girl and I was doing my normal thing talking to her, and then she asked me to go for a ride. And I ended up coming up with that name, and it immediately blew up. And that's when I first got my channel monetized, so it made a pretty decent amount of money. And the rest was history, man. I kept putting out similar videos and experimenting with what would work and what wouldn't. And I mean, it's been pretty decent money. It's been great, and it's just been overly expanding over the past couple of years, and I'm having a lot of fun with it.
So what inspired you to start making YouTube videos then? Just kind of like out of the blue, like, hey, I'm just going to start recording just in case there's like some dicks on the road or something like that, so that I can use it for insurance claims? Like, why did you start bringing a camera with you?
Well, I've been fascinated with YouTube ever since it came out back in like 2005, 2006. I used to play video games a lot, like old school games like RuneScape. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. And I was always like, I want to make a YouTube video. And no matter what I've done for my whole life, there's so many videos and channels that I have on YouTube that nobody knows about. But pretty much everything I do, I've done in like the past 10 years, I've tried to make YouTube videos of. And motorcycles was just the thing that worked. It was the easiest way that I could showcase just the stupid things I do. And it just worked out the best. So that's why you know about the KLEB and the motorcycle stuff. But I've been doing this for a long time and kind of practicing and I don't know, enhancing my ability to create good videos and learning and things like that.